I'm here today to show you how to get rid of the divide by zero error that you can see in Excel. And let me give you an example of how you can get divide by zero. Let's say you're trying to average two different numbers and you haven't entered the numbers yet. So you say you want to average test 1 and test 2 and you want to do it for this entire column. Well, you're getting divide by zero because you're trying to divide by something and there's nothing there yet. You're trying to average something, there's nothing there yet, rather. So this is kind of ugly, and let's say you don't want to see that. Let's say you just want this to be blank until you enter the test scores, and then you want it to actually display the average score. Well, there's a way to do that. Okay, so we can just keep this equation right here, and we're just going to add to it. So we're going to click right here after the equal sign, and we're going to add the word if, if, and then open parentheses. And that's asking, what is your logical test? Well, we're going to type in the word is number, ISNUMBER, is number, and then open parentheses, and then come to the end of this, and you have a close parentheses, and then type a comma. So now it's asking, well, what is your value if true? So if this formula is a number, what do you want it to happen? Well, we're going to just type in the equation again. Average, open parentheses, select these two cells, close parentheses, comma, and then if value if false. So what do you want to happen if it's not a number? Well, we don't want to display anything. So the way you can do that, you're going to do a double quotation mark. So hold on, shift, quotation, quotation, and then close parentheses. And then just, so you go, before I hit enter, let's just review this formula. So you have equals if, open parentheses, is number, open parentheses, and then that'd be your equation, and then you close it out. We need two parentheses here, one to close out the average, and the second one to close out the is number, and then a comma, and then you just enter the equation again, average, and then type in the comma, and then double quotation marks, and then one more last close parentheses to close it out, and then hit enter. Okay, and now we're going to just double click here, and we're going to copy that formula down. So now you see you actually don't see anything, right? But the formula is still there. Let's say test score 1 was 80, test score 2 was 90. Now you have an average of 85, and it automatically populates the answer. But once you delete these two values, it will disappear. All right, and that is how to hide the divide by zero error in Excel. Thank you.